SoFi credit card might just surprise you. With no annual fee, a simple reward system, and smart integration into SoFi's ecosystem, this card promises to do more than just earn points. It's designed to help you manage, invest, and even pay down debt more effectively. But is it truly a game changer, or just another digital option in a crowded market? In this video, we're diving deep into everything the SoFi credit card offers, what makes it different, and whether it actually lives up to the hype. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because you don't want to miss the smart strategies that can turn this simple-looking card into a powerful financial tool. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started. If you've ever wondered whether a credit card from a fintech company can really compete with the big banks, the SoFi credit card might just surprise you. With no annual fee, a simple reward system, and smart integration into SoFi's ecosystem, this card promises to do more than just earn points. It's designed to help you manage, invest, and even pay down debt more effectively. But is it truly a game changer, or just another digital option in a crowded market? In this video, we're diving deep into everything the SoFi credit card offers, what makes it different, and card into a powerful financial tool. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started. The SoFi credit card is issued by the Bank of Missouri and powered by the MasterCard network, which means it's accepted virtually everywhere MasterCard is. But unlike traditional credit cards that simply offer points and miles, this one is built from the ground up to work within SoFi's larger financial system. That includes SoFi Money, SoFi Invest, SoFi Relay, and SoFi Loans. So, when you spend with this card, you're not just earning points, you're unlocking real flexible benefits that can be used towards saving, investing, or reducing debt. Now let's talk rewards. The SoFi credit card offers a flat 2% back on all purchases, but with a unique twist. You only get the full 2% if you redeem your rewards toward eligible SoFi accounts. That means you'll get the full value if you apply your rewards to your SoFi Invest account, SoFi Money, or toward the balance on a SoFi loan. If you redeem your rewards as a regular statement credit or cash back outside of SoFi's ecosystem, it drops to 1%. This is a pretty clever design. It encourages users to stay within the SoFi Flex and transfer it into your Sapphire account. Once it's in there, you can redeem those points for travel at a bonus rate. But even if you don't have another Chase card, the Freedom Flex still delivers. The intro bonus is often around $200 after spending $500 in the first 3 months, which is excellent for a no annual fee card. That's a 40% return on your first $500 in spending. Plus, there's often a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months, giving you some breathing room if you're planning a big purchase or looking to pay down existing debt. After that, the variable APR applies based on your credit profile. So who is this card for? Honestly, it's perfect for someone who wants high rewards without paying an annual fee and is okay putting in a little effort each quarter to activate categories. If you're someone who likes to optimize your spending, plan ahead, and take advantage of seasonal rewards, this card rewards that mindset. And if you're already in the Chase ecosystem or planning to build a Chase trifecta, the Freedom Flex is almost a must-have. Now let's talk about the competition. The Discover It cashback card is the closest rival to Freedom Flex. It also offers 5% rotating categories with quarterly activation, a $1,500 spending cap per quarter, and no annual fee. The difference? Discover's categories are sometimes less aligned with daily spending, and its redemption options are more limited. No travel partners, no point transfers, and no ecosystem to build on. Still a solid card, but not quite as versatile. Then there's the City Custom Cash, which offers 5% back on your top spending category each month, up to $500, with no rotating calendar. It's a great choice if your spending is consistent, but unlike Freedom Flex, it doesn't offer multiple bonus categories or the ability to combine points with premium travel cards. Another option is the Wells Fargo Active Cash, with 2% flat cash back on everything. It's dead simple and ideal for set-it-and-forget-it users, but you miss out on the higher 5% opportunities that Freedom Flex gives. So again, the real strength of the chase